Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to connect Wave to your bank account. I've been using Wave for a few months now, and I've found it to be a really helpful tool for managing my finances. Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about why you might want to connect Wave to your bank account. There are a few reasons why this can be beneficial. First, it can help you to keep track of your spending and income. Second, it can help you to set financial goals and track your progress towards those goals. Third, it can help you to identify areas where you can save money. So, if you're interested in learning more about how to connect Wave to your bank account, please read on. How to connect Wave to your bank account. There are two ways to connect Wave to your bank account. Manually. Using Plaid. Manually. If you want to connect Wave to your bank account manually, you will need to provide Wave with your bank's name, account number, and routing number. You can find this information on your bank's website or on your bank statement. Once you have provided Wave with your bank's information, Wave will attempt to connect to your bank account. If the connection is successful, you will be able to see your transactions in Wave. Using Plaid. Plaid is a third-party service that helps you to connect your bank account to apps and services. If you use Plaid, you will not need to provide Wave with your bank's information. Instead, you will simply need to sign into your bank account through Plaid. Once you have signed into your bank account through Plaid, Wave will be able to connect to your bank account. If the connection is successful, you will be able to see your transactions in Wave. Benefits of using Plaid. There are a few benefits to using Plaid to connect Wave to your bank account. First, it is a more secure way to connect your bank account to apps and services. Second, it is a simpler way to connect your bank account to apps and services. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for connecting Wave to your bank account. If you are having trouble connecting Wave to your bank account, please contact Wave support. You can connect Wave to multiple bank accounts. You can delete your bank connection from Wave at any time. Connecting Wave to your bank account is a great way to manage your finances. It is a simple process that can be done in a few minutes. If you are looking for a way to track your spending, set financial goals, and save money, I highly recommend connecting Wave to your bank account. If you are looking for a comprehensive financial management tool, I highly recommend Wave. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. I would also like to add that Wave has a number of other features that can help you to manage your finances. These features include the ability to create budgets, the ability to track your investments, the ability to set financial goals, the ability to get personalized advice from Wave's financial experts. If you are looking for a comprehensive financial management tool, I highly recommend Wave. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more financial tips. Thanks for watching.